Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make paneer dum biryani at home. I'm going to use a traditional pot to make this recipe, so it's going to give you an extra flavor. It's a very easy recipe. Come on, let's get started. The main ingredient for making dum biryani are fried onions. I'm going to slice onions finely. I'm using a food processor here to make my job easier. We need 400 grams of paneer for this recipe. I'm going to cut it into cubes. So I'm going to add it to the pot in which I'm going to cook this recipe. And the fried onions are getting ready, so we'll have to deep fry it in oil. Adding salt as required, 3 cardamom and also the fried onions, 6 cloves, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 Jaathi pathiri, this is nothing but the skin of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of curd, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, handful of coriander leaves and a handful of mint leaves, 2 green chillis, 1½ tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and the juice from half a lemon. And now I'm going to mix all the ingredients well and let this marinate for at least 1 hour. The longer it marinates, the tastier it would be. And to boil the rice, I have kept water in a pot. To it, I'm going to add 4 cloves, 2 cardamom and oil as required. And I'm adding 1 1/4 cup of basmati rice, which I have soaked in water for around 15 to 20 minutes. Also adding generous amount of salt. Mix it well and let this cook for just 5 minutes until it is 80 to 85% done. And now to the marination. In the same pot, this is the pot in which I'm going to cook. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and also the boiled rice. Just drain the excess water and add it to the paneer. And now to top it, I'm going to add a handful of mint leaves and chopped coriander leaves and generous amount of ghee along with fried onions. You can also add soaked saffron in milk. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Cover and cook this on low flame for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Do not open it in between so that the steam will not escape. Exactly after 20 minutes, I'm opening it. Wow, it smells divine. Just mix it. Do not mix it completely. Ensure that the rice doesn't break when you're mixing it. The paneer looks so soft. It's time to plate. The layers have come out amazingly perfect. Definitely give this a try. You can serve this along with some raita and also boiled egg or any side dish or starters of your preference. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.